Multi-role fighter jet Su-30SM of the new generation will be delivered to the 3624th Russian airbase at the Erebuni Aerodrome in Armenia to replace MiG-29 aircraft. A source in the Russian Defense Ministry told TASS on Tuesday. The re-equipment of the airbase with Su-30SM fighter jets is planned to start next year. The delivery of aircraft will be completed in two stages, in 2020-2021. All 18 MiG-29 jets are planned to be replaced with Su-30SM aircraft, the source said. When deliveries of new aircraft begin, some pilots will be sent to the Lipetsk Aviation Center for training, while others will continue serving at the Erebuni Air Base, the source noted. Su-30SM is a twin-engine, two-seat super-maneuverable fighter jet of the 4++ generation.